Hello, children. Hope everybody had gone through the first part of the chapter. Yes. Okay, so in the first part, we had discussed up to Kharif crops. Yes. Now we will continue that part. Okay. That is in Kharif crops. Okay, as in the last class, I already told you that where Rabi crops ends, Kharif crop starts, isn't it? So, in Kharif crops, especially rice is grown in Assam and West Bengal, Odisha. Okay, and in our country, not only one, many varieties of rice is there. Okay, especially in these states, that is the states which I had already told you, where rices, bajras, everywhere, everything it is grown there. Okay, and three varieties are very famous in Kharif crops, that is in paddy. Okay, rice, it is Oz, Aman, and Boro. Okay, these are the three varieties of paddy, that is rice. Okay, so now we will start Zaid crop. Okay, Zaid crop means now farmers are there. Okay, land is also there. Yes, farmers are there, so land is there. So we will not sit idle. है ना, खाली तो हम बैठे नहीं रहेंगे कि खरीफ क्रॉप्स और रबी क्रॉप्स के बीच में जो स्पेस है, isn't it? So the crops which are grown between rabi and kharif, okay, that is अगर टाइम मिले तो हम कर रहे हैं. So that crops are known as zaid crops, and during the month of, it is done in March and June. March to June. Okay, so mostly water intensive fruits are grown. Water intensive fruits matlab like watermelon, cucumber, okay, fodder crops and all. Okay, so these is a small description about the zaid crops. Okay, now comes major crops. Major crops of our country. It is a very important topic from the examination point of view also. Okay, so first let us discuss about the rice. Okay, rice and its features. Okay, so rice, it is grown in proper irrigation, means water needs a lot. ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा पानी चाहिए होता है for this rice growing. Okay, and from where this water comes? From where the water comes? Through canals and tube wells. Yes, so if the area is of low rainfall, then there we have to build canals and all. Okay, if there is no rainfall or the water is less there, because for rice you know that so much of water is needed. Okay, so bachas, these crops are grown in such area where already the irrigations and proper canal system is there. Okay, so it is grown in states like Punjab, Haryana, Western UP and some parts of Rajasthan. Okay, why these places? Again, because of green revolution. Okay, there are parts where this, that is because of this green revolution, these parts were highly benefited by it. Okay, and their canal system and irrigation system are well and superb. बहुत अच्छा irrigation system है इस places पे, इस states पे. Okay, so grown in the areas of heavy rainfall, that is ये rice जो है उसी area में होते हैं जहाँ पे rainfall is very heavy, so we cannot depend on irrigation only. So the reason we try that area where already heavy rainfall is there. Now high temperature and humidity. Okay, you can take Punjab. If the temperature is high there, then humidity is also high there. So rice needs high temperature and humidity to grow. Okay, and India is the second largest producer of rice. First is China, second largest is producer, or second largest producer is our country, that is India. Okay, now staple food means primary food. You can say staple food means primary food, जो सभी खाते हैं, everyone eats across the India, it is liked by everyone. Okay, and that is kharif crops. Okay, annual rainfall needed by rice is 200 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, एनुअल रेनफॉल जो राइस के ग्रो के लिए चाहिए वो कम से कम 200 सेंटीमीटर होना चाहिए. ओके, आई होप टिल हियर क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू.